So in this video we are going to be reviewing an ultrasonic cleaner. This cost about £45 on Amazon, and the idea with these is that they can clean delicate items and difficult items which are otherwise hard to clean. Example are glasses. The bridges on here can get quite difficult to clean with dirt building up in awkward locations. So what we're going to do is go through the procedure on cleaning glasses with this. Okay, so first thing to do is to fill this up with water. Okay, next thing to do is to plug it in. We'll remove that, and then we will put our glasses into here. Okay, so here we have the glasses in the cleaner, 180 seconds. So what we'll do is we'll switch it on. And what you can probably see is the dirt particles coming off. And that is, it's quite satisfying to watch that happening. So looking out, you can see there's a countdown timer for the actual operation. I wouldn't put your fingers in that whilst the water is in the ultrasonic cleaning mode. So this is the ultrasonic cleaner that I purchased from Amazon. It is a brand which you probably have never heard of, and with many other ultrasonic cleaners on Amazon, they are all sorts of very obscure branded names. Now the sound of this isn't particularly healthy. It sounds like a bit of electrical arcing is going on. I'm not too sure if my interpretation of that is correct, but what I can also tell you is that there is a bit of a smell of ozone which accompanies the operation of this device. Nonetheless, I do think it is an effective tool, and it's not used all that often, so from my perspective, £45 is money reasonably well spent here. So what you can see is that the particles typically are getting emitted along the boundary between the lens and the frame, and you get a lot of dirt which gets wedged in between the lenses and the frame. Now eventually at such a point, in this case after 140 seconds, I can't see any more particles being emitted from the glasses. So at this point we'll just turn it off and we will take a closer look. So it's shaken a lot of dirt out on this boundary here, and there are very few tools which can get into that gap there. But the dirt which it has shaken off, it's loosened up, and that's pretty useful. One thing it won't do, it won't clean fingerprints and dirt off your lenses itself. You still need to use normal lens wipes for that. Okay, so with a little bit of extra work, not much more, it was a bit of cloth around the arches to get the loose dirt away. Correct, there we are. It's looking a lot cleaner. I'm quite satisfied with that. So that's it for a short and completely different video. In the meantime, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you again very soon.